What's up, everybody? Okay, I'm doing this off my phone, but it's more important what I'm showing y'all instead of the video quality. I'm here to give y'all information ASAP as soon as I see it. 2020 is a wrap. Earn $75 when you join Chime and get a qualified direct deposit of 200 plus within 45 days. Okay, I'm a delivery driver. I do Grubhub, Uber, DoorDash. You can get signed up with Uber in a day or so. And you could go out here, make $200, wait for the direct deposit, and you get 75 on top of that. And then I gotta, there's referral codes for that too. So you could make money on top of that. And then you could make $600 independent contracting without reporting it. So you use somebody code on Uber or DoorDash, you get that $50, $100. I know Postmates had a promotion where you could get $1,000. You know what I mean? So this year, 2020, it's been tough, and we're trying to go into 2021 doing something, making something happen. So don't try to be on your high horse and think, oh, I'm too good to do this. Like, it's money, man. It's a quick 75 to go towards something. It's the holidays, Christmas, whatever you want to get the PS5. Go out there, sign up for one of these driving jobs or independent contracting. I don't care if it's, doing landscaping, whatever, or unless you already have a job to do direct deposit, go ahead. The money is real. I did this a year ago, but it was only $50. I got my money, and yeah, and I'll give you my code right there. You can't see it. Let me see if I text somebody. Will my code come up? And there go my code. Get 75, give 75. And that's it. It's, chime.com /r Quinn Armstrong 2. That's it. It's my full name 2. That's all you got to do. If you want to use my code, you can use whoever code. This video is only here to help you out. I'm helping y'all out to make this money. In case you're scared to sign up for Chime, it's an online baking. You don't have to worry about your money. You get your money earlier. DoorDash, with my regular bank account, I have to wait till Tuesday. I got a credit union. But with Chime, I got it Monday at 11 p.m. It could vary for you, but I got my money early. I never had a problem with Chime, so I don't know what everybody else is going through. I know there's pyramid schemes, and this might seem like a pyramid scheme or whatever, but I got my money, and you could get rid of this account or whatever, I and then they have a thing where I almost left out where you can go over $100 once you deposit $500. So let's say you stuck and you need $100, you can get that. So that's almost $175 if you deposit your whole check. You work a whole week, you get $600, you put it in there, and they verify everything. You get 75, and then you could, knock off another 100, and you could say, screw it. I ain't gonna give y'all. I'm done with y'all. I pocket 170. I ain't telling y'all to finesse or anything, but you know what I mean. Just do what you got to do. And I know there's people out there who don't got bank accounts and everything. This is online banking. Some of my friends have this shit, and they never had a problem. So, I mean, it's on y'all. I'm trying to help y'all out. 2020, COVID-19. That's all my channel is about. I might do some gameplay, but I always try to post something to help y'all. Whenever I see a promotion, anything that can help people, I'm trying to put it out there, give y'all information, because somebody might need it and don't know. So there you go.